Okay, friends, we'll be starting our class. This is about the procedure and assignment, this thing, assessment part, penalties and all, everything will be learning now. So I am sharing with you right now. Once again, I am trying to share with you the relevant files. Of you are again seeing that file. Okay, so what I was talking about that in today's class we'll be trying to cover all these things: administration part, income tax authorities, assessment procedure, tax payments, interest penalties, minimum alternate tax, which you have discussed earlier, search and seizure, and appeal and revision. All these parts we're trying to cover. That means we are in the unit 5. Unit 5, what is the content in unit 5? Those aspects needs to be covered. I had a plan to cover the entire thing today, but as you have seen, it got disturbed. So let us try to what extent we'll be able to cover it. First part will be understanding who are these income tax authorities. Before you must be seeing a list of how many classes are there. Can you see how many class of income tax authorities are there? Can you tell me how many items are there?
12.
Yeah.
12.
Okay. These 12 persons or 12 category of persons or 12 class of income tax authorities are there. Okay. So income tax authorities means all these 12 categories. Right. See, what is number 1?
Central Board.
Central Board of Direct Taxes, that is CBDT. Second is Principal Director General of Income Tax or Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax. That is one category of authorities. Then Director General of Income Tax, Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, they are next to them. Then Principal Directors or Principal Commissioners of Income Tax. Next comes the Directors of Income Tax or Commissioner of Income Tax or Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. Appeals is a separate kind of commissioner. If you go for appeal against the order of a particular assessing officer, you can go to Income Tax Commissioner Appeals. That is also called as a CIT Appeals. Then additional directors of income tax, additional commissioners of income tax, additional commissioners of income tax appeals. JDs are joint directors or JCs, joint commissioners of income tax. Deputy directors, deputy commissioners of income tax. Assistant directors, assistant commissioners of income tax. Then comes ITOs, the income tax officers. Then TROs, tax recovery officers. Then inspectors of income tax. All these are called as income tax authorities. Who is at the top position? Who is the highest level of
Central
income
Board.
tax? CBDT,
Central Board of
CBD.
or CBDT. Who is at the lowest position?
Inspectors.
Inspectors of
Inspectors
Income Tax.
Inspectors of the income tax. Okay, this is the income tax authorities. Right. So slides will be given to you. We can try to remember. Now, among these authorities, who are the assessing officers? Who can do assessment? So this is the section 2 and provides these are the people who are called as the assessing officers. Right, section 2 clause 7A. Who are the assessing officers? First of all, assistant commissioner or deputy commissioner or assistant director or deputy director. They are assessing officers. Or income tax officers within their jurisdiction, they are assessing officers. Or additional commissioners, additional directors, joint commissioner, joint directors, they are also called as the assessing officers. बाकी लोग assessing
Sir, assistant commissioner and assistant director, both the designations are same.
Same level.
Okay.
They are same.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the three category of people who can be called as the assessing officer. So they can pass order. Everybody can pass order, but they can assess. They can make assessment of the income. Right? They are called assessing.
Okay.
Now the next question comes. These people are appointed by who? These income tax authorities are appointed by. Income tax authorities are appointed by central government. Central government has power to appoint these income tax authorities. And central government may authorize CBDT, board or principal directors of principal director, etc., principal chief commissioner. They can be authorized by central government to appoint authorities below the rank of assistant commissioner and deputy commissioner. उनकी नीचे का जो पोस्ट है वो CBDT खुद अपॉइंटमेंट कर सकता है, प्रिंसिपल डायरेक्टर अपॉइंटमेंट कर सकता है, बाकी लोग अपॉइंटमेंट कर सकते हैं बिलो द रैंक ऑफ असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर. राइट. everybody can be
Okay.
appointed by central government, but central government can authorize some people to appoint income tax authorities below the rank of assistant commissioner. You have to understand this, right? So apart from that, there are executive staff or ministerial staffs who are not in fact income tax authorities, but they are also people who are appointed in income tax department. Okay, got some idea who are income tax authorities, how they
Yes,
are
sir.
appointed? Okay. Okay, that is about income tax authority. Now coming to this part, how income tax payments can be made. How can we pay income tax? Right. So there are various kinds of income tax. One is self assessment tax. अगर आप खुद assess करके pay करोगे income tax, that is called self assessment tax. Then something called as the advance tax. That means before the end of assessment year, before the end of previous year itself, if you want to pay some tax in certain situation, you are supposed to pay this tax. That is called as advance tax. You are paying tax in advance. Demand tax or demand of tax means income tax department sends you a notice. Yes, friends, are you able to listen to me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, we had a network problem. There is some problem somewhere. So because of which we pay connections, getting suitable connections. So, well, are you seeing the file now?
No, sir.
No. Are you seeing the file now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are discussing about this thing, various kinds of tax payments. One is this self-assessment tax, then advance tax, then demand tax. Demand tax means income tax department will send you a notice that this much of tax is demanded from you. That is called as a demand tax. Then tax deducted at source. In certain incomes, the person who is paying you that income is supposed to deduct tax at source. That money is to be deposited. That is indirect way of paying tax. That means income receiver is not paying tax. Person who is paying you that income is deducting money and paying tax. For example, you are receiving salary from your company. The company, what the company will do? Company will deduct tax from your salary and deposit. That is called as TDS or tax deducted at source. One more kind of payment is there, that is called as TCS or tax collected at source. If you are incoming some kind of income like scrap sale kind of thing, if you are selling some scrap items, so that person will pay you money, is it not? So in addition to your normal money, so you are expected to collect some tax from him. That is called the tax collected at source. So generally these are the various kinds of tax payments. Okay. One is self-assessment tax, are you getting? Second is advance tax. Third one is demand tax. Fourth one is TDS. Fifth one is TCS. How to pay income tax? If you go to the income tax department website, okay, I had told you earlier, you can visit that place. You see there is a link where it is, what is written here? Can you read?
E-payment of taxes.
E-payment of
E-payment
tax.
of taxes.
This link will exactly explain you how income tax has to be paid. You can try today itself. Go to income tax department website. Important links, you can find out e-payment of tax. Okay, if you go there, you can find certain steps are there. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Various steps are there. On your own interest, you can go and read it. You can understand how to pay tax. Right now, I cannot show you the exact procedures in this virtual classes because here we can only share you the files. I cannot show you a particular procedure. So unable to show you that thing. But on your own interest, you can read these steps. And towards the last part of the step, you can find out here is a link for making payment. If you want to make payment now, after reading all these steps, then if you click here, you can make payment. Right? If you click here, you'll be getting a screen like this. Here, different kind of tax challans are there. Let us for TDS or TCS. This is the challan. For advanced tax, self-assessment tax, this is a challan. Like this, various kinds of challans are there. You have to fill up. And through online banking, you can make the payment. That is called as e-payment of taxes. Understood how taxes are paid?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is how taxes will be seen, how taxes are paid. Okay. Now, friends, since we are having this kind of connection trouble, so we'll stop our classes today. Okay.
Okay.
So from here onwards, I wanted to finish the class today, but it's not possible. So we'll have to meet once again. So should we meet tomorrow again?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow at
Yes.
11 o'clock again we are meeting. Okay.
Okay.
So right now, can all of you come with your video? Can you switch on your videos? All of you.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, please switch and let us see who are coming here. You can take a screenshot once everybody is appearing. You can take a screenshot. Divya, Arpita, Jyotirmai, please switch on your videos, etc. Jyoti, and Shraddha.
So my video is on.
Yeah, my video is also on.
Okay, now all of you can take a screenshot. Okay. Fine. So we'll meet. Yeah, now this is good. This is the better subject. Okay, friends. So we will be meeting tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I'm ending the meeting.